What types of digital advertising should you be using for your business? Whether your company is large, medium, or small, advertising is the only way that you're going to bring in those online sales. Creating ads can be challenge, but it can also be incredibly easy if you use the right tools. If you have never set up an ad campaign, then this video is for you. I will tell you about all different types of digital advertising techniques and when it's appropriate to use them. Hi everyone, this is MS Kumar, digital marketing trainer and founder of National Institute of Digital Marketing, Bangalore. Search engine marketing or SEM is one of the types of digital marketing that includes pay-per-click advertisements. PPC ads allow you to create your very own customized advertisements. You can set your own budget, you can view the metrics once your ads are up and running. Within PPC, there are two types of ads that you can run on search engines like Google, and the other one you can run on third-party websites called as display ads. Search ads show up when a user types a keyword into a search engine. These ads are incredibly powerful as they show up when your potential customers search for a specific keyword. People who come across your search ads are already looking for your product or something similar. So you won't be marketing to cold leads. A cold lead is someone who has never heard about your product or service, meaning it usually takes a while to convince them and to make a purchase. Let's say I need to sell my car. Obviously, I'm going to Google and type in a phrase like sell my car. When I press enter, I see a lot of results which will appear on the first page of Google. The first four and the last three will be advertisements. The position depends on the bid each company places on keyword as well as the quality score from Google. A high quality score indicates that your ad is more relevant and it makes meaning and that you have a better chance of higher ranking. Each search ad contains a minimum headline and a website link and description. Google gives 30 characters to write your headline and 80 characters to write your description. This may not seem like a lot of room to get your point across, so you will have to be more crafty. Tell customers your main selling points like get more offer, like something like sale or drive more sales. Use these kind of catchy lines. As you can see, one of these ads contains rating as well and an address and a phone number. These add-ons, such as contact information, additional links to your website, these things are called as ad extensions. Their job is to give searchers additional details about your company, product, or service. So how display ads are different from search ads? Display ads are ads that appear on websites. The potential customers who see display ads are being targeted after searching for a product or service, or just happens to land on a website that contains display ads. When using display ads, you will be marketing to people who are unaware that your brand exists, which means that you will be focusing on building brand awareness. Google display ads allow you to reach over 90% of the people on internet across over 2 million websites. While these are a huge number, it does not guarantee that you will see conversions from your ads. These ads include photos or graphics with text that encourage users to click and they appear on websites like this. There are several different sizes for display ads. So I suggest you do some testing to see which ad gets more conversion for your brand. You can use these two types of digital advertising at the same time in order to get consumers from different angles. In order to be successful, you should go with cold leads as well as customers who know what they want. Social media advertising. Within social media advertising, there are several types of digital advertising campaigns that you can, as a business owner, should be running. You can run ads on Facebook, LinkedIn, Pinterest, and even YouTube. You can advertise on these platforms to generate leads, drive sales, increase your brand awareness. All of these platforms are great, but we are going to talk about two of the most popular sites to advertise on. One is Facebook and one is Instagram. Facebook is one of the oldest and most popular advertising platform. And you can create ads using Facebook Ad Manager and easily integrate the same ads into Instagram. Facebook is great if you're wanting to increase your brand's visibility. You can target specific demographics, location, even interest that your customers have. With Facebook, there are several different types of advertisements you can run depending on the goals of your business. You can set ads specifically for things like lead generation, conversion, app installations. Facebook ads easily integrate into users' feed. So easily, in fact, that you may be unaware of how many ads you are seeing on social media daily. It's important when creating an advertisement to realize how many ads are already out there. How will you make your campaign stand out? Instagram ads also integrate directly into the platform itself. It can be difficult to distinguish ads from regular posts at first glance because they look exactly like normal posts. There are few differences like clickable button on the photo that says learn more, shop now, as well as the text that says sponsored. If you are looking to advertise on global level, Instagram is the perfect platform. Since Instagram is a mobile platform, your ads will be only displayed to mobile users. There is a desktop version, but Instagram advertisements will not be shown to desktop users. This is where Facebook advertising has an advantage over Instagram advertising. Your ads will be shown on their newsfeed, on desktop and mobile, and can also be shown on sidebar. So, what advertising platform should you use? Either Instagram or Facebook? The truth is, since you can create Instagram ads from your Facebook ads in Facebook Ad Manager, you can use both. Take advantage of the fact that these two platforms are so tightly integrated. You should always do market research to see where your potential customers are spending their time and which social media platforms they prefer. My best advice is to keep in mind that some people who use Facebook don't use Instagram. So it's vice versa. If you want your ads to be seen by most users possible, use both the platforms. Remarketing and retargeting ads. Ever wondered how the internet knows that you are interested in buying a product? Once you visit this Amazon website and you go to any third party website or YouTube, these ads keep following you. This type of advertising is called remarketing or retargeting. Once a user shows interest in your product, you can gather the data to use to your advantage in the future. Businesses retarget through emails and as well as through social media and search engine marketing. Some customers think emails or social media posts that are retargeting them are a sign that they should purchase the product. This is why retargeting works. Don't just retarget once. Send emails and make sure that you are running retargeting ads on social media as well. This way, your customers can't miss your ads. Social media retargeting ads can take several forms. There are dynamic product ads, which can create a carousel of products that a customer has previously viewed, encouraging them to come back to your site and keep shopping. It looks like a regular ad, but the user can swipe through several products and they may be interested in purchasing. They can click on a product and be redirected to your website. If you don't have that many products, you are able to show your customers one product that they have already viewed and added to their cart. You can also offer discount for a product that a customer has already viewed. This can be done in a form of social media or by sending an email. In order to retarget, you will need to collect the data from your customers. This means that you will need to have analytics and tracking set up on your website. This is as simple as pasting a code on your site. The more retargeting you can implement, the better. If your customers see products that they have already viewed in every possible place, they will eventually make their way back to your site for a purchase. So don't miss out on sales. Retargeting should be a huge component of your digital marketing strategy. Video advertising. While it's largely a part of social media advertising, video ads can be in their own category when we talk about types of digital advertising. Short attention spans are a huge hurdle for advertisers, and this is why video is dominating digital advertising. Video ads allow people to observe content efficiently without much effort. Using videos in the place of text advertisements can be a game changer for your business. You can use it to quickly engage with your audience. Creating video ads may seem difficult, but in the long run, they are worth it. We live in a time of instant gratification. If you can give your customers information as soon as possible, they will listen what you have to say. Video marketing helps build trust with your audience and allows you to connect with them in a deeper level. If you are not already using video in your advertising strategy, now is the time to start. Videos help build trust with your audience and allows you to connect with them in a deeper level. So here are some of the tips and tricks that will help you when you are creating your first campaign. The first thing you will want to do is to choose a platform. Keep in mind that you're going to end up spending more money on these platforms. Online advertising is more reliable than offline advertising. Creating an advertisement will work for any business. Your ads need to be enticing no matter what platform you choose. When you have finished creating your first ad, show it to some trusted friends or colleagues. If they would click on it, you're good to start testing. Time to choose the right digital advertising platform for your business. There are just a few types of digital advertising methods that can help your business grow. If implemented properly, you will be able to grow your customer base. You can outshine your competitors and achieve your sales goals. What other types of digital advertising are you interested in? Let me know in the comment section below. Thank you for watching.